1. Morgan Freeman was born on 1st June 1937 in Memphis, Tennessee, United States of America. 2. He has been in the acting industry for decades and is known for his distinctive voice and calm demeanor. 3. Freeman's breakout role was in the film Street Smart, 1987, which earned him his first Academy Award nomination. 4. He won the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his role in $1 Million Baby, 2004. 5. Freeman has been nominated for 5 Academy Awards in total. Aside from acting, he is also a film director and narrator, lending his voice to numerous documentaries and commercials. Morgan Freeman co-founded the production company Revelations Entertainment. 8. He played notable roles in iconic films like The Shawshank Redemption, 1994, and The Dark Knight trilogy. 9. Freeman has received various honors, including the Cecil B. DeMille Award at the Golden Globes in 2012. 10. In addition to his successful film career, he is involved in various philanthropic activities.